my friends. I'm going to be doing a fairly simple pour today featuring Colourarte products, Prizm Pour Paints. I've got Mayan Gold, Indigo Violet, and Sparkling Aqua. I'm coupling that with Artist Loft Aqua Green and Black. And I've alternated the Prizm Pour paints with the Aqua and the Black. So I've got sparkly, matte, sparkly, matte, sparkly. I just got a little 10 by 10 here. I'm using Floetrol as my medium. I'm going to use my turntable as I apply the paint, and then I will remove it and put it back so you can see, but you'll be able to watch a close-up this way of the pour. So here we go. Okay. There's that aqua, finally. It was awfully purple. Oops, I forgot to be turning it. What a ding-dong. That was the whole purpose of putting the turntable under here, so make it easier. Oh, that is pretty in there. I'm kind of distracted today because this morning my husband's work van got stolen. Fortunately, he is retired and it wasn't full of tools, but our daughter had borrowed it to move and all her stuff was in it, so it is a bad situation. So hopefully it will turn up with some of her stuff left and the van won't be too trashed, but we shall see. And look at that. All right, I think I'll zoom in a little bit. There we go. It's very windy today. Can you hear the doors rattling? I love that shape in there. That's really nice, and yeah, I'm liking it all. Did I mention? I just mixed it with Floetrol. 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. All of them mixed exactly the same. No water. So easy peasy. Well, I probably had more paint than I needed, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. All right, now the whole thing is covered. I'm just, oh golly, I might be happy with it. I'm looking at the composition and see if there's anything I want to stretch out or tilt off. I'm liking it a lot. This is the only part that's kind of a large area of sameness, so I think I'll come down this way just a little, but I don't really want to mess with it, the rest of it, too much. So yeah, that may have to come back because I don't want to lose the rest of what I'm looking at. Oh golly, that's pretty. I'm going to turn it towards you the way I'm looking at it. I always seem to prefer the way I pour it out when I'm figuring orientation. What do you think? Bring you in for a closer look. There's the shimmer from the Prizm Pour Paints. I like this kind of tree looking thing there. In that form, and over here in that corner, I'm liking it very much. I've said it before, but I'll say it again. You can hardly go wrong with blues. Well, my friends, I hope you liked that. I'll see you next time. Bye now.